That's a really nice looking casting. This one, I have less hopes of success for it, but we will see. I'm getting it out. Yeah, look at that. It started to form the blade, but it didn't fill it all the way. And I think it's because on this one I didn't provide a method for the air to escape like I did on the other one. And it's also very thin on that edge where it's sharp. That's my bronze blade, and this is the cube with an indentation. I'll get these things cleaned up and then show them to you. Also wanted to give a shout out to Morgan Marley, who very kindly provided the cell phone tripod that I'm now using for these videos. Thank you, Morgan. You are awesome. Oh, this is the original piece, which is like a glass cube with an indentation in the top. And then this is the result of the casting, the replica of it. And it looks pretty good. It's got some porosity, so it's not perfect, but it's also not too bad. I just need to cut off that stem, grind it down, and finish polishing it.